I'm also curious, like how you take all these differences and implement that into a strategy. Like, how is that similar across, different industries? And also, how do you guys plan your strategy, knowing all the different differences within mobile assets?
So, we're trying really hard for the more so condition-based approach.
Yeah.
When you have such a variable load factor, you don't see the failures at the same intervals every time, depending on what's going on. And we all know as well. You look at the different failure curves. Things that follow actual wear out is pretty slim. Usually, your failures are from other things. So just trying to detect those failures beforehand and trying to understand what the life limiting factors are. So we've done a lot of good work at understanding, some of our major components. At the end, what's made them fail? What
Yeah.
component is it? And can we take early intervention to either replace that component, or is it just cost prohibitive, just buy a new one? So we've taken some pretty drastic measures, and we've pushed out our component life quite significantly just by understanding what the end of life looks like.